And now we can rest up for the weekend because by early next week, we could be dealing with a tropical storm and at least the effects from it. Right now, very disorganized, a lot of shear ripping this thing apart. However, as the moisture gets up into the Gulf of Mexico, models want to spin up low pressure here. We have a kind of a mid-level low here. A frontal boundary is going to drop down here, and that's going to channel everything on top of us by Monday and Tuesday. So watch how it plays out hour by hour. So here's the low. We'll look at the time here. This is around this time on Sunday. We could be looking at a tropical depression just off the coast of the Yucatan. Then after that, Monday comes around. It could strengthen into a tropical storm. If it does, it will be called Colin. That's the next name on the list, and it will be the earliest sea storm on record. By Monday afternoon, notice the center of the storm way off, but we're not worried about that because this is a very lopsided storm. All the weather going to be on the east side of this storm, so we're going to see stormy weather before the center even gets towards land. So Monday looks like a very stormy day, and even the potential for some strong storms, severe weather, and tornadoes on top of the heavy rain and the potential for some flooding. Tuesday, the storm gets closer to land. That's when it's going to move across the state, somewhere from the Nature Coast all the way down to, say, even Sarasota. Regardless of where, it looks like more heavy rain, shower storms, and the potential for tornadoes. So after a couple days of this, flooding will be a big issue. And then a little tail end of this kind of sticks around for a while, actually drags the front down and stalls it out. So that means high rain chances will linger all week long. We'll be talking about some heavy rain. Now, another storm did this, had to go back to only 2012, Tropical Storm Debbie. Do you remember that one? It spawned 2 tornadoes in our area, 3 to 5 inches of rain locally, and some flooding in Boynton Beach. 15 to 20 inches, even 25 plus inches in North Florida along the Panhandle and up towards Jacksonville. Saw 15 inches as that storm exited. This is going to be a very similar scenario, maybe a little bit farther down to the south. Outside right now, current temperatures are into the low 80s. The hour-by-hour forecast tomorrow, no effects from that tomorrow. So tomorrow looks like a nice day. If you have any outdoor plans, it looks just fine. It's just going to be hot and humid, a few afternoon showers and storms, mainly moving inland. Again, similar to what we've seen the past couple of days. Maybe a slight uptick in the number of storms that we see in the afternoon, but the location the same, back towards the lake and then the west coast. Higher rain chances coming our way Sunday, not from the system, just from a southwest flow blowing all those storms back towards us. Then Monday and Tuesday, that's from that tropical system, a good soaking from that. Great boating weather tomorrow, another day or so of that before things start to get real rough. 7-day forecast, highs near 90, lows near 80. Then on Monday and Tuesday, we watch the tropics, see what's going on. As we get through the weekend, we'll be able to pinpoint a little bit closer to where the heaviest rain we think is going to be, and better timing too. But I think we're going to be wet for at least a week or so coming up.